I'm meteorologist Francis Crudencer with the National Weather Service in Great Falls, and here is your weekly Thursday weather briefing for north central and southwest Montana. The most impactful weather of the next 7 days is likely occurring today into early Friday as a potent front pushes south across north central Montana this morning and then into southwest Montana this afternoon. Behind the front, expect some gusty winds and rain changing to snow, with significant accumulations possible for some area mountains and a few passes. After a brief break on Friday, a fairly active weather pattern is then expected for the weekend into Monday, with multiple precipitation chances across the area. As of right now, it looks like the midweek period for next week will be dry, mild, and breezy. Here's a look at the forecast for potential weather impacts across north central and southwest Montana over the coming week. Feel free to pause this slide for further review, but each item will be covered further in the coming slides. As the front races southward, the Rocky Mountain front and adjacent foothills will likely see their heaviest snowfall during the day, so while slick roads and sharply reduced visibility are possible, it's hard to say how much of the snow will actually stick to roads. Elsewhere, precipitation is likely to start as rain at lower elevations, then change to snow as we progress through the afternoon into the evening. The best window for accumulating snowfall at lower elevations will be this evening and overnight, and we'll also have to watch for the potential of some heavier snow bands this evening and tonight. The bulk of accumulating snowfall for central and southwest mountains is also likely this evening into Friday morning, including several inches over Kings Hill Pass and the north slopes of the Little Belts. This animation shows how the gusty winds may evolve across the area this morning into the early afternoon hours. The strongest gusts look to be along the High Line area this morning, shifting south towards the Lewistown and Judith Gap area later this morning into the afternoon. After a brief break in the weather on Friday, an active weather pattern is expected to bring multiple chances for precipitation to the area. For Saturday and Saturday night, the precipitation will be focused mainly along the Rocky Mountain front and central Montana mountains, with a few inches of snow at and above pass level for the Little Belts and Marias Pass. On Sunday and Sunday night, the focus for precipitation will shift more towards central and southwest Montana, and this trend appears likely to continue into Monday. The bulk of accumulating snowfall will fall above pass level for Sunday through Monday night, but some light snow accumulations appear possible for area passes, though it will be highly dependent on snow levels. Currently, it looks like we will get a breather around the middle of next week, with dry weather returning. Temperatures are forecast to return near or even a bit above normal, with highs at lower elevations mainly in the low to mid 60s. Looking ahead to the 8 to 14 day time frame, there is no clear signal for the potential for abnormal temperatures or precipitation at this time. Thank you for tuning in to our weekly briefing. For updates, please visit our homepage, and if you have any questions about upcoming weather, please don't hesitate to email or call. Have a great day.